Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming whether the account shows disabled or another status and note any error codes. This guides the route. Next, gather evidence: government ID, recent receipts, and device IP/time logs for provenance. Once those are collected, prepare access tools, recovery email, the 2FA authenticator, and a browser with cookies cleared so forms behave. Move on now to the recovery form while these items stay handy. They speed verification and reduce back and forth. You should complete the platform's recovery or appeal form precisely, using exact account names, creation date, and a concise timeline of events. Accuracy prevents delays. Then upload clear scans or photos of your ID and receipts, labeling files with dates so reviewers can match records quickly. If you suspect a hack or policy misunderstanding, explain it in 1 or 2 brief paragraphs and state the remediation steps you took. Once submitted, monitor the support channel and expect follow-up requests from you. Finish by responding quickly to any follow-up and include the support ticket ID in every reply, which keeps the thread coherent. If the appeal is denied, request explicit evidence or clause references so you can correct or rebut specifics. Ask for next step procedures and timelines. If progress stalls, escalate via phone support, verified social channels, or an authorized representative. Troubleshooting tip: if verification repeatedly fails, create a new, documented timeline and resubmit with annotated proof showing ownership continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.